Hey there! Here are your top news stories from eWEEK, sponsored by Dell and Intel. Today's topics include a statement from Nokia officials denying smartphone production rumors, new campus networking switches from HP, as well as new switches and a network OS from Dell, and an anticipated presidential bid by former HP CEO Carly Fiorina. Nokia has denied recent reports that the company would resume making and selling smartphones by 2016, more than a year after it sold its Lumia handset business to Microsoft. The reports, which surfaced online earlier in April, cited a former Nokia executive who said that the company was working on such products and could introduce them in the future. Nokia could, however, be looking into returning to the smartphone business by licensing devices from other makers and rebranding them with its logo, according to an April 26th report by Reuters. Hewlett-Packard is introducing new campus networking switches that officials say will give organizations the tools they need to deal with the network demands created by an increasingly mobile business environment. Unveiled April 27th at the Interop 2015 show in Las Vegas, HP's 5400R ZL2 V3 series, which will compete with rival Cisco Systems mid-range Catalyst 4500 switches, will run on the latest proprietary network processor from HP and leverage new and enhanced software to improve network monitoring, security, and application performance. It was just more than a year ago that Dell announced its Open Networking Initiative, leveraging the Open Network Install environment to enable Cumulus Networks' Linux-based OS to run on some of its switches. The latest step in the development of Dell's Open Networking program came last week, with the introduction of new switches that can operate as high as the 100 gigabit Ethernet level and the introduction of another network OS from IP Infusion that can run on the open switches. The company is looking to give customers greater flexibility not only in operating systems, but also in networking speeds. Former HP CEO Carly Fiorina is reportedly set to announce a run for the Republican nomination for president in 2016. According to reports last week, Fiorina will announce her candidacy on May 4th, joining what promises to be an increasingly crowded GOP field that will fight it out for the right to run against presumptive Democratic nominee Hillary Clinton. Fiorina has been a sharp critic of Clinton and has said that being the only other woman running for president would help negate any advantages the former First Lady and Secretary of State may have with issues relating to women. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast. And check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.